What is it that we bring with us to a session with the client in addition to our expertise? My name is Tifrah Warner. My workshop is Explorations and Discoveries of Professional Roles. This workshop is about a certain understanding that we bring with us in addition to our expertise, an understanding of what is our role in relation to the role of the client. We may see ourselves as a teacher. We are there to teach communication, we are there to teach logic, or a number of other things. Or we can see ourselves as a healer or as a business partner. The variety of roles we may assume, each role gives us a distinct way to relate to the client. In this workshop, we apply a variety of processes to identify the role or roles that we habitually assume when we work with a client. With greater awareness of the roles that we use, we can have a greater say of how we assume a role. We can see more clearly the impact of a role on a client, and we can gain flexibility in the way we select different roles at different times. This workshop is about self-exploration. It's about greater awareness of the roles we assume in our practice.